So hi, welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel for getting more video updates. In the previous session, we have discussed about some configuration about accounts receivable. And in this video, we will discuss about the customer master data and invoice posting, the customer invoice posting. Now let's go to SAP. So first we will create a reconciliation account because all the transaction related to the customer has to be linked to a reconciliation account, which has to be shown at the time of preparing the financial reports. So the customer reconciliation account is a current asset. And let's check in the account group what is the number range we have maintained. So let's see in OBD4, the account range, the number range we have maintained for the chart of accounts ALLO. So for the current assets, the number range is 1700 to 1800. Now let's go to FS00 and create the reconciliation account. Okay. So 1700 to 1800 is the range. I will give 1780. Create. And the account group is current assets. And it's a balance sheet item. And here it will be customer reconciliation. In the long test, customer reconciliation. Okay, go to control data. Okay, INR, don't tick only balances in local currency. Give reconciliation account type for customers. Give line item display and give sort key. I will give according to the posting date. Okay, after that go to create bank interest. And in the field status group, we have to maintain for the reconciliation account, which is G067. Okay. Now, okay. So data was saved. Now we will create a customer. So for that, the transaction code is FT01. Okay. So the account group, I'm going to create a domestic customer. The account group which I created was ALL2. And I have to check the number range, which I maintained was 3 lakh 3. Okay. I've maintained between 30 and 40. Okay. So I will give this as the customer number. And after give OK. Let's wait. It's taking time. Now we will give the title, company. I'm giving the name as I will give some name. Okay. Okay, I'm giving some name. And also giving search name. So what all the requirement according to the client, you can fill the details. I'm giving the country, which is mandatory. Then here is the tab for if your customer is also the vendor, you can give the vendor number. You can maintain the bank details. Okay. Now go to company code data. Give the reconciliation account which you have maintained now. So we have created 1780. Okay. give the payment transactions. I'm giving immediate payment. Okay, and save this. Okay, so the customer has been created. Now we will do the customer invoice posting. Okay, for that the transaction code is FB70. So we'll select our customer which I have created now. This is the one we have created. Give the document date and give the reference number. Give the amount and the GL account. Okay, and we will try to post this. Let's wait until it's get posted. So okay, the document 703 was posted in the company code ALLO. So this is how we can post the invoice too. So I think you understood this concept. Please subscribe my channel for more video updates. That's all. Thank you.